Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix Facebook for you videos not working. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can prevent videos from loading. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Next, simply close and reopen the Facebook app. If the problem persists, a quick restart of your phone or tablet can often resolve minor software conflicts, getting your videos back on track in just a few moments. If restarting didn't work, let's dive into the app itself. Clearing the Facebook app's cache can remove corrupted temporary files that might be causing issues. You can usually find this option in your device's app settings. Also, make sure your Facebook app is updated to its latest version. Developers frequently release fixes for common bugs. If all else fails, try uninstalling and then reinstalling the app completely for a fresh start. Sometimes the problem isn't just the app. Check your device's available storage. A full device can impact app performance. Aim for at least 1 GB of free space. Consider resetting your network settings on your device, which can resolve underlying connectivity problems without affecting your personal data. Additionally, temporarily disable any virtual private network or ad blocker you might be using, as these can sometimes interfere with video playback. Finally, let's look at some advanced steps. Try playing videos on other platforms or through a web browser to determine if the issue is specific to the Facebook app. You can also quickly check if Facebook servers are experiencing widespread outages, which would affect many users. If you've tried everything and the problem persists, don't hesitate to reach out to Facebook's official support team for personalized assistance. They can offer more in-depth solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.